Don't just go through this year doing the same shit you did last year and then expecting different results. That's the definition of insanity. Doing the same thing you did yesterday, but expecting different results. Don't do it. Come on. Let's learn. You are a god. You are gods and goddesses in training, guys. That's what y'all are. Now, what are you applying to your life to help you in your training? That's the question. Okay. And if all you're doing is taking religion and moving it over to whatever you're doing now, it ain't gonna work. It's just you're gonna be in the same limiting beliefs and negative programming if you don't understand what you are and what you can do. If you don't know what the kingdom of God is, okay, esoterically, you're limiting yourself.